Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you have the Ninja Blast and you're looking for a way how to fix it because it's not working, the primarily thing about the Ninja Blast that you need to know is that first, don't like overfill it. Like this guy right here in this video was making video that he like overfilled it completely, and of course it's not working, right? So this is the first thing. When you see the max fill, it needs to be just the max fill. It shouldn't be, you know, when you're gonna put it completely there. So max fill means max fill. This is the first thing. The second thing is that put liquid first and then everything second. And also the third thing is just try to just like unplug it, like someone wrote here. I waited about 20 minutes with plugged in and it started working again. So plug it in for like 20-30 minutes and then plug it back out, and maybe it's going to help fix the issue. But if it's not working, then just like contact support. So have a great day and goodbye.